Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're in the garden at our sunflower plants, and these have lost their luster and have folded over. Now, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with these or not, but what I am going to do is plant some more sunflower seeds and some more lettuce. And I thought I would bring you along. Let's get started. What I think I'm going to do is to cut the heads of these sunflowers out, and then I'm going to cut the stalks down to soil level. And the variety of replacement sunflower seeds I'm going to plant is a variety called the Mongolian Giant. I got these from Baker Creek or Rare Seeds, and these are supposed to produce heads that are 16 to 18 inches across. So that would be something about this size. And they're supposed to get about 14 feet tall. And the sunflower seeds are supposed to be edible. So I'm kind of interested to see if I can grow these. Because they're so big, it's recommended that they get planted 18 to 24 inches apart. So that means I may only get about 3 planted in here, but we'll try it and see what happens. The variety of lettuce that I'm going to plant is the Paris Island Cole romaine lettuce. And I've grown this before. I love it. So I'm going to plant some more of it. So I have my shears, and I'm not sure what to do with the actual heads themselves. I don't necessarily see any seeds or anything like that, but I'm going to keep them and let them dry out. And cutting down to the bottom, down here. This one looked like it was trying to form a second head, but it fell over. Being that these are so big, like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plant a lot of them, but I will probably only be able to keep 3 of them in the bed. The seeds themselves are kind of big for a sunflower. We're going to plant the emitters for this hose are every 6 inches. So we're going to plant about 4 or 5 here. So, and all I'm doing is going down about a 1/2 inch or the first indentation of my index finger and putting them in. And one more. Okay. I have to get a label for these. Do I have it with me? No. Let me get a label. Oh, actually, yes, I do. And we'll put the label down on this end. Okay. With the lettuce, we're going to dig a trench and drop some in. Okay, we're going to use our trusty hurry, and we're going to reach out here. Got a millipede. It's dead. So we're going to dig a trench along the drip line, not very deep, since the seeds don't need to be planted very deeply. And we're going to go from one side to the other side with the seeds. Now, when they germinate and grow, we'll come back and thin them out. And then we're just going to cover them back up. And just like that, we're done. Lastly, we're going to put our little label in. And we'll place it here. Okay, the drip system is on. So they're getting water as we speak. And hopefully, in the case of the sunflower seeds, it's going to take anywhere from 7 to 14 days to germinate. And hopefully, we'll get some germination with the lettuce and we'll be off and running. So we're looking at our plants in pepper row, and the peppers are putting on blooms. They have lots of fruit. They look green and healthy. We fed them yesterday with a granular fertilizer mixture of chicken manure, blood meal, and bone meal, and then a liquid fertilizer of AgroThrive fruit and flower formula, and they are looking good. We have lots of big fruit already. None that has turned red yet, but I will probably be coming out soon and doing some harvesting. The papaya plant that died, or I thought died. It was real tall, and then it fell off, felt literally broke in half during the winter. Well, it has sprung back to life, and it has um it looks like little papaya trying to grow again. Hopefully, this time around, we'll get it right and be able to get some papaya. I'll let you know in future videos. This is a eggplant and a spearmint plant. The spearmint plant, funny thing about that, I was out here and looked at it and didn't remember what it was, so I pulled it up. And as I sniffed it, I realized that it was spearmint, and I put it back in the ground, and it retook and it grew. So I'm happy about that. The eggplant that refuses to die is still kicking, still producing. It has some flowers growing on it, so we'll probably be getting fruit soon. The tomatoes are looking phenomenal. I pruned them; they're down to one stalk. But overall, they're doing real good. My watermelon, if you can see that over there, it's starting to vine, and that means that they've taken root. They're doing good, and I'm happy. The other pepper plants down there are loaded with peppers. One actually is starting to lean to the side, so we're gonna have to figure out something to keep it standing up. But everything is looking good. The tomatoes in the grow bags are also looking good. And at some point, I don't think it'll be this week, maybe next week, we're gonna come out and put 3 T-posts, one on this end, one on the other end, and one in the middle, so that we could start preparing to do the Florida weave. And the tomatoes in the big grow bag over here, the 20-gallon grow bag, they have taken off and they're doing good. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we replanted sunflowers and lettuce in this bed. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it and brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will respond. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables for myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.